Look, baby, we here.
Hello, welcome to the aquarium. How many tickets would you like today?
Yes, two, please. And do you have any for the glass bottom boat today?
Alrighty. Sorry, but the boats are not running today due to maintenance.
That is totally fine.
Your total comes to $19.75. Will that be cash or card?
A card.
Perfect. Thank you. Alright, you're all set. Enjoy your time at the aquarium.
Wow, the machines are getting fancier, huh? Okay, little one, stay close to mommy, all right? Can you hold my hand really tight? Oh, wow, that is a tight grip. And thank you for holding my hand. Wow, look at this place. It's like we walk beneath water. Yeah, it is beautiful. Oh, look right there by the glass. Hey, hey, hey. No, no. Sweetheart, we do not tap on the glass, okay? It might scare our friends away. Do you know what these little fishies are called? Clownfish. Yeah, just like the fish from the movie. Of course, sure. You can call it Nemo. They're so tiny and orange. Look! Look how fast they're swimming in and out the coral. Oh, so cute. Yes, baby? Sorry, baby. You can't take that one home. Because I live with their friends and family. Well, would you be sad if someone took you away from me? Yeah, that's why we can't have him. He would be so sad and lonely and missing all his friends and family. Oh, baby, don't pout. How about this? If you behave, then we can go to the pet store and I get you a fish there. How's that sound? Deal? All right. But let's keep going while we at it, all right? Oh, well, look at this one, baby. Do you see all the little blue fishies next to them? Those are called blue tangs. They're so bright and almost glowing like jewels. Hey, slow down, baby. Don't run. The floor's all slippery. I know you're excited, but the fish aren't going anywhere. Oh my goodness. Look at that big stingray, baby. Oh, look at his wings. Does it look like he can fly underwater? Oh, he came into the glass to say hello to you, baby. Do you want to wave hi to him? Oh, they're so cute and so polite. Oh, look over there. Those are moon jellies. Wait, no. Running. Shh. Shh. You okay? You okay? Calm down. Shh. I know, baby. I know it hurts. But remember, we don't run, okay? Here, let mommy kiss it better, okay? Do you want to stop for today? Well, I know you don't want to go home, but if you're really hurting that much, baby. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can keep going. So these right here are called moon jellies. They are beautiful. They move so slowly. Kinda calming, huh? It looks like they're dancing underwater. Hey, sweetheart. Look at these seahorses. They're so tiny. You almost missed them. Oh, and what did the sign say? Fun fact. The daddy seahorses carry the babies. Wow, really? That's crazy. Oh, well, you want me to carry you, though. All right, you little stinker. I'll always carry you. Ooh, and over there a lionfish. No, 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 no. They are pretty, but we don't touch them, okay? That's what the sign said, no touching. Well, they have spikes, baby. And the spikes hurt people. They give us like little ouchies. The aquarium fish are for looking, baby, not touching. Well, unless the tank says a touch tank. And if mommy says okay, alright? Right. So don't touch them. Ooh, but come over here. See? This right here is the school of silverfish. Oh, look how they're all moving together in the same time. It's like they're practicing a dance routine. Yeah, they are beautiful. But I still say the blue ones are better. Baby, look up. That is a sea turtle. He is huge. Look how slow he swims. Like he doesn't have a single worry in the world. I think he likes you, baby. Wait, what? No. I don't think you want him as a pet, baby. Well, they start off really, really small, and then the turtles keep on growing and growing. He'd be too big for your bed, baby. And think of how much food he would eat. He'd be too big to even play with, baby. I don't think you want him. Okay. We can get you one to look like Nemo. Oh, wow. Look at the shark tank, baby. These are called sand tiger sharks. I know they look scary, but they swimming around like to mind their own business. And don't you worry, mommy will keep you safe. Yeah, I always try to keep you safe, even though you always wander off without me. Oh, but look at this one. Baby, stay by mommy, okay? Don't wander too far off. Yeah, there are a lot of people here today. Oh, excuse us. Sorry. You okay, little one? Hey, hey, hey. Look at mommy, okay? Here, hold my hand. What's wrong, baby? You squeezing my hand really tightly. Is it getting too loud in here? Yeah, I hear it too. Lots of talking, lots of footsteps. And the lights are kind of bright over here too, huh? It's okay, baby. You're okay. We don't have to stay in this room. Cover your ears if you need to, okay? Mommy is right here. Come on, walk with me, okay? Excuse us, please. Coming through. You're doing such a good job, sweetheart. Just keep on walking with me, alright? Just deep breaths, baby, okay? In and out. There we go. Let's keep on going. Let's find somewhere quieter. I know, the big crowd can feels like too much sometimes. Especially with all the sounds echoing everywhere. Here we are. Nice and quiet. Hey, come sit next to mommy, okay? There you go. Huh? Baby, you're not in trouble, okay? You did nothing wrong. Sometimes our brains just get overwhelmed sometimes, and that's okay. It's just too many people, too many sounds, too much happening all at once. That happens to grown-ups too sometimes. You did a really good job for telling mommy you need a break. Yeah, I am so proud of you for that. You want some water? Here you go. Tiny sips. Better? Yeah, we can stay in here as long as you need. The fish will still be there later. And if you don't want to go back out, that's okay too. We can head home, get comfy into the blankies, eat some snackies, and just enjoy our company. But first, can you tell mommy what your favorite fish was today? What was mine? I really liked the jellyfish. They were so peaceful. Ooh, and that sea turtle too. He looked very wise. Which one was your favorite? Nemo? Yeah, I knew it. They are pretty cute. Thank you for coming to Aquarium with mommy today. Even with all these big feelings, I still had fun with you. Come here, little one. Mommy will always have you, okay? Good with the bad. Huh? Yeah. We can still go to the pet store for your little fish. But no sea turtles, though. Promise me? Okay.